Hi, welcome to Wiki Tiki and Cash and Rug. This is Venkat here. After so many days, under our job series, we are going to talk about a fantastic area that's artificial intelligence expert. So, how to become an artificial intelligence expert? Before that, we'll talk about the current openings for the Cashew Infotech trained students. So, many companies they used to ask the students from us. I'm going to talk about those openings now first. So, to the companies, if any of the HR or the company people looking into this particular video, I request you to send your profiles, job description to us. We are ready to send our trained students to you. So please send your requirements and please send the procedure to apply for the to share the resumes. And we are not going to charge to sending our students and all. And here is the mail ID you can send it to us. Okay, apart from the two my students. So recently we got a lot of openings people. So from many companies I've asked them if any of my Kashuv Infotech trained students see this video, please send your resume to us. We are ready to refer you people to the companies. Okay, we are not going to charge anything. Okay, don't worry. And here is the like a mail ID to send the resumes and put in the subject that Kashuv Infotech course student. Okay, so that we can easily identify. Okay, so this is the topic which we are going to discuss. So these are the areas we are going to discuss. What's artificial intelligence and machine learning systems, how it is used in the real-time world, and what are the technologies you must learn to become an AI expert, and what kind of learning you should do it. And I'm going to talk about like how to create a AI project now. So how its conceptual I'm going to teach you, and what are the things you need to do to build your profile. So these are the 5 areas we are going to discuss now. So if you talk about the artificial intelligence expert or a Python developers, this is how the openings will be. You are so urgent openings. So Python big data, fresher, salary, experience, and these are the things. Like this is how the people will be sending the the detailed job description. This is called job description. You can see it here. They are looking for some fresher batch. Okay, so these are the requirements. So like if you know and if you are able to see it here, over here Python is here. Okay, so if you are specialist in specific technology, that's why I'm advising you people to go for courses or internships to build your profile. That's really important. Okay. Anyway, this is how they will send the resumes. Immediate opening for Python developers. So they are looking for Python developers with 2 years of experience. You may ask me, sir, I'm a fresher, sir. How can I go for the job? It's very simple, people. If you're skilled enough, if you got an exposure of the knowledge of 2 years experience guy, a fresher can be selected. The companies will prefer you people also. Okay, so this is how you can build your profile. Okay, let's move on. So looking for a .NET, Java, and Python trained candidates. Okay, so you are able to see it here. So they are looking for the Python developers. So they list about the degree people. You may tell me like, sir, the salary is very less. It's a starting salary. So just forget about the starting salary people. So you need to get the job. That's really important. Okay, anyway, this is how the job opportunities or job description for the people. Okay, what is the final outcome of this particular video, sir? So you may ask me this particular question, like what is the final outcome? What I'm going to know in this video. So I want to become an artificial intelligence expert. In that case, what are the technologies I must prepare? I must be an expert. Okay, that's one thing we should know it. And apart from that, salary and lifetime careers, the market competition. Who can study this kind of courses, sir? And what nature and how to build your profile forever. Okay, these are the areas that we are going to see at the end of this particular video. Are you ready? Let's move on. I took almost 30 hours to prepare this content, people. I worked really hard so that my aim is that it should be useful to someone around me. So that's why I'm working really hard. Please utilize this video. Okay, so I feel proud to tell you that I'm a typical specialist. I was trained, certified, and awarded by Microsoft. Okay, I got almost more than 18 years of experience, specialist in almost 180 technologies. Okay, these are my channels I'm running. The one thing is like technological channel, Kasho Infotech. And I got my another channel, Kasho Venkat. This is technological channel. This is interview based channel. And VBS Lifestyle is another channel which I'm running. It's general health related tips. Whatever technology you want, post in the comments. I'm ready to do it for you. Okay, it's my Insta account. It's my Insta account, Kashu_infotech. You can contact me for any help, for any suggestions, or anything. Like I'm ready to help you. So many people used to call me Kashu. No, my name is Venkat. So my name is Venkat. And if you want to contact me, here is the number. So click this follow button in Insta account. And send me a message. I'm ready to respond to you people. Okay, let's talk about the scenario for the rise of artificial intelligence expert. Why we need this guy? Come on. So that's the one we are going to look into. The artificial intelligence in the real world. Okay, so we got five topics. So what's artificial intelligence, sir? Artificial intelligence is nothing but like embedding your intelligence, human intelligence, into the machine to make it do a process. That is why it is called artificial intelligence. Okay, so we need to create a challenging application. So to create a challenging application, we need the machine learning and artificial intelligence. Okay, that's where this is the field where we need machine learning and artificial intelligence. Okay, so how to prepare it? So the first thing is like we should know how the technology is aligned. Technology in the sense like artificial intelligence is a big box which got the machine learning inside, and we got deep learning inside, and little bit of data science also. This is how the technology, once if you learn artificial intelligence, you'll be specialist in machine learning, deep learning, and data science also. Okay, that's the one you should know. And this is how the steps are. The first thing is well, I want to implement the technology. In that case, we need to collect the informations from them. Hey, where do you want that artificial intelligence system to be implemented? So you need to collect the informations. So the data collection for training, and afterwards we need to do all kind of analysis, like the quality of the data, like if you want to optimize it or clean it or whatever things you want, you can do all the data. So now I got an optimized data. Now we need to think about the technology. Hey, I need to go for Python programming, sir. I need R programming, sir. What kind of technology you are looking for? That is very, very important. And which technology is important, and finding the best algorithm in the technology. So we got lots and lots of algorithms like classifications, clustering, regression. We got a lot of different algorithms. Which algorithm you are looking for, man? So finalize the algorithm. Okay, once if you finalize the algorithm, let's implement it. So if you choose a wrong choice of algorithm, then it's the biggest problem for you people. So you should choose the right algorithm. That is very, very important. If you choose a wrong algorithm, it's a big problem for you. Once if the algorithm is ready, now I need to create the model. So implementing the algorithm, and I'll create the model. That's the model is ready. Once the model is ready, the next thing is like and train your model. You need to train the model with the different samples and everything, giving possible inputs to check whether the model is working fine or not. So I created a robot. I'm going to create a robot, find the algorithm, implement the algorithm of the robot. The robot is ready. Once the robot is ready, check with all possible inputs and everything. It's ready. Implement in the real-time world. That's awesome, man. So this is how you are able to implement an artificial intelligence algorithm. Okay, let's move on to the next level. Okay, so as I told you, like in my previous video, I spoke about in the under job series, I spoke about application developer last time. So front end and back end technology. If you missed that video, please check it out. Okay, this is a job series 1 video. Now we are into job series 2 video. Okay, so this is the one I'm going to talk about now. Okay, so job series 2. So the major problem with the people is like they don't know the value of technology. That is the biggest problem that people are facing. So everyone is looking for a job and they are into entertainment. See, actually, like even my family, they used to tell me like, hey, what you're looking for technology video, man. If you put in English, no one is listening to the video. No problem, man. It will be like it will be a great hit in future. So I'm waiting for a day. I'm waiting for some day. Okay, I'm waiting for those days. It will reach the people, because now they don't know the value of technology, but technology will give the joy, money, and everything to you. Okay, so please learn the technology as much as you can. Okay, let's move on to the steps to study the artificial intelligence. This is the second area I'm going to talk about. We got 5 areas, so I'm going to talk about the second area. So this is the second area I'm going to listen. What you have to study, sir? The first technology which you must focus is your Python programming. Maybe for data science you need some R programming also, but Python programming is a dominating language, and it becomes a huge hit now with lots of libraries from Python Corporation. So this is the first technology you must learn. And after learning the Python technology, the second thing is like you must learn data science. So data scrapping, data validations, cleaning the data, and everything. Once the data is cleaned, you can create your models. with the machine learning algorithms. So once the algorithm is ready, now your artificial intelligence system is ready to go. So these are the three areas you must study, okay, to build your artificial intelligence robots and everything. How I can study, sir? The major problem, many people, they used to ask me a question, sir, I got a career break, so I want to change my career. I got a lot of areas, sir. I didn't finish my degree. What can I do? Very simple, people. Go for internships. What is internships? Sir? Internship is nothing but going to a company, learning the technology, working for the company, build your career. Okay, gain experience. From there, you can jump into a job. So go for internship or courses. Okay, apart from that, our company, Kashiv Infotech, we are providing online internships and online courses and offline internship and offline courses in Chennai. I got only one office, only in Chennai. Okay, so just you can come down to my Chennai and you can learn as much as you can. Okay, so go for internship, people, or you can do courses also. Okay, so just contact me, treat me as a brother. I'm ready to help you, people. Okay, now let's talk about the content to study, sir. Okay, sir, these are the areas I'm going to study. What I need to study in the content, sir? So this is the third area I'm going to discuss. What I need to learn in Python programming. That's the one we are going to see it now. So in Python programming, so you need to go to this link. This is a link where you need to go. So cashew.infotech.com slash python training in Chennai. Okay, this is the link you must go. Okay, so you must go, just go down, scroll down. You are able to see the list of contents here. So you need to learn about the Python programming introductions, operations, matrix and functions, advanced programming, class object programming, project, machine learning base, data science base, machine learning advanced, and take into GUI programming and user interface programming. So these are the areas you must focus and learn in Python. Okay, so here's the link, just check it out. Okay, I'll put in the description and in the first comment, do not worry. Okay, and if you want to know about the basics of Python, so I put a video in Kashiv Infotech website, like a YouTube channel itself. Just check it out. Like this is the video I posted in Kashiv Infotech. Then second one is like what I need to learn in machine learning, sir. So that is the one you are asking me. So what I need to learn in machine learning? We talk about machine learning. Usually we should understand what is machine learning. Machine learning is nothing but you got the traditional programming, you got the data which is feed into the program, and the data plus program you will be getting the output. That is a traditional programming. So I have written my C and C++ and .NET and Java programming with that. But whereas the machine learning is very different, people. Machine learning programming in the sense like you got the data and I got the output. So learn the data using the data, and from the experience I'm ready to change my program. The machine is learning something from the output. So modifying the data and the program, from the output the program is getting changed. Okay, that is how your machine learning algorithms training itself, that is called as machine learning. So what are the things I need to learn it from machine learning, sir? Here is the one. Just go to kashivinfect.com, machine learning training in Chennai. Just scroll down to the bottom. You are able to see introduction, the Python programming basics, advanced, algorithms, and a choice of algorithms, machine learning, preparing the data sets, research data, and algorithms, feature engineering, feature selection, supervised learning, unsupervised, machine learning concepts, NLP, and everything. Okay, these are the areas you must learn under the field called machine learning. Okay, start learning under this field. Okay, once if you learn this one, and let's move on to the YouTube video. So I put a lot of videos on machine learning. Here is the one. So I posted 2 videos for you people for your reference. So start looking into these videos. You'll get an idea like what is machine learning and their algorithms. Now let's move on to the next area. Sir, data science, sir. What I need to learn in data science world, sir? So that's the one we are going to see it now. So data science in the sense processing the data. I got enormous amount of data which is in a different formats. Again, the data can be in database formats, it can be in files, or it can be in other sources, any other different formats. So these data I need to consolidate. So for integrating all the data and putting in one place, that is called as data warehousing. That's called as data warehousing. So data is placed somewhere here. You got your data warehouse. So multiple sources to one destination, that is called as data warehousing. So once the data warehouse is ready, we need to convert into a meaningful data. So I pre-process the data, I cleaned everything, and now I'm trying to transform into a meaningful data. Now I got the meaningful data which can be used for visualization or creating some information and knowledge information, that is called transformed data. Okay, from this transformed data I will extract to do some decisions, that is called as analytics. So from the transformed data I create the patterns. What kind of data I want, so can I align it to get a specific data. Now I'm trying to get the data, from there you got the knowledge data. So this is how your entire data science process will work on. Okay, so we are trying to get some raw data, from that I'm trying to extract some knowledge. Okay, this is how your data science works. And in this data science world we are able to predict something, that is a creator's future, we are able to make it out. Okay, let's move on. So like what I am going to learn it from this data science, sir? That is a question you may ask me. Go to kashivinfotech.com/data-science-training in Chennai. Just I'll put in the description, don't worry. Okay, so you need to learn about the base of Python. R programming is really important, so I'm going to talk about the R programming, the data analytics, data processing with R programming, exploratory data analysis, statistical data analysis, and web scraping data analysis. So these are the areas which will cover the entire data science concepts. Well, these are the areas you must learn. From there, we'll move on to the next area. Before that, like here is a video on data science. I placed it in my YouTube channel. Just go and check it out. You will get an idea. So now let's talk about the final area, that is artificial intelligence. What I need to learn in artificial intelligence. So as I told you, like embedding your technological knowledge, a human intelligence into the computers or in the machines, that is called as artificial intelligence. Under artificial intelligence, you got multiple areas like machine learning, NLP, speech recognitions, expert system, planning and scheduling and optimization, robotics and vision. Under that we got sub areas too. Okay, this is called as artificial, the consolidated box is called as artificial intelligence. Now you may ask me a question, sir, I want to learn artificial intelligence, sir. What are the topics I need to cover it, sir? So in that case, so just go to this link, artificial intelligence training in Chennai. We just go to this URL, just scroll down to the bottom, you are able to see lots of the components on what is artificial intelligence, deep learning, neural networks, AI neural networks, choice of choosing the algorithm, supervised, unsupervised, NLP and AI implementation. Just go to this link and you can get all these ideas. Okay, so these are the areas we are going to cover it. Okay, I pasted a video on artificial intelligence in my YouTube channel. Please check it out and get an idea. Okay, now we are going to talk about the fourth area among five. We got some fourth area I'm going to talk about. The fourth area is how an artificial intelligence is built. Okay, see, thing is like we need to get the data. So we got the raw informations. From the raw informations, I need to build the algorithms, I need to create a model, test the model, train the system. From that, we'll be using it for the real-time world. Okay, you are able to see I'm trying to get some information. While doing this one, this is a walking robot, and this is a dancing robot. This is the jumping robot, and you are able to see it's a handshake robot. And this is a forward direction, this is a reverse direction robot, and this one is a speaking robot, and this is a chatting robot. Okay, these are some of the robots I got the information. Okay, so using this robot I'm going to do something. So I'm going to train the system. Sorry, it's too much of cold, sorry for that. So I got the training system now. So using these informations I'm trying to train the system. Okay, so obviously like we need to create an artificial intelligence model. So we need to create an artificial intelligence model. Once the model is ready, so we are able to like so to create the AI model, the first step which we need to use it is like we need to identify technology, and afterwards we identify the algorithm. So using the technology and the algorithm we are able to create a model. So you are able to see I've identified, now I'm trying to implement some algorithms to create my AI model. So these are the data which is available and it is scattered. So we need to filter it and we need to do some like a processing. So I got some data, so I'm using some classifier algorithms or something like that. So this is one of the typical algorithm used. So using this algorithm we are able to create a model. Now I am going to create a model, implement the algorithm in it. So once if you implement the algorithm, merge algorithm and the model. Okay, once the algorithm and model is ready, we are able to use it to train it. We need to train the system. So for training the system, we need to give all possible inputs and everything. Okay, give all the possible inputs and everything. And once if the model is ready, and now if you are giving a testing system, once the robot is coming here, okay, a robot is coming here, that's good. So now that it is really implemented, now you can see it here. A robot is coming, so it is a walking robot, it is walking. And now it's a flying too, that's jumping robot, man. Okay, so from there, from the knowledge which I collected, now I'm able to find what kind of robot it is. This is used to identify your face recognition and pattern recognition, lots and lots of concepts. Now you can ask me a question, sir, how to become an AI expert, sir? So how to become an AI expert? So in that case, it's not that one learning one technology, it won't work out, people. So you need to build your profile as a package. So I want to become an artificial intelligence expert, sir. A Cashew Infotech certified AI specialist, sir. In that case, you must learn Python, machine learning, data science, and artificial. This is a step-by-step process you must learn to become an AI specialist. Okay, if you want to become an AI specialist, here is the contact numbers to contact us. We are ready to help you. If we talk about the salary, minimum of 20,000 to 1,20,000 Indian rupees per month, they are ready to pay. Even for the freshers, they are paying like that. The career is 100% secure, people. Once if you build a profile like this, you got a fantastic career. You are settled. Market competition, it is very easy to get job because no one is there in the market. The people, the number of competitors, the number of people studied this kind of all technology courses is very less. It is very easy to join, to get your job. Who can join and build your profile? Any department and any degree people can join and learn as much as you can. The work nature, if we talk about the work nature, it is really challenging, people. It is really challenging. Sorry, I got a call. Okay, it's a really a challenging job, and you can learn lots and lots. Very interesting, people. Profile building, obviously, like you must learn programming and everything forever to build your profile to sustain in the market. Okay, but it is very challenging, and for sure you'll get a job because competition is very less. Okay, so you got an idea now. Now you may ask me a question like how about Kashiv Infotech, sir? Our company Kashiv Infotech, we are a company giving career guidance. Many people used to ask me like what kind of courses I can study or something like that. We are giving career guidance, job guidance. We are providing internships, in-plant training, guiding for many projects, final year projects, and we are doing software development like website creations, mobile app development, everything at a cheaper cost. Okay, just contact us. We are ready to help you. And here is my Insta account to contact me. Kashiv_Infotech is my Insta account. Click this follow button. You can contact me anytime. Here are the contact numbers to contact me. Okay, sir. Our company Kashiv Infotech, we are providing online internships via kashiv.com, and we are providing offline internship at my Chennai office also. You can contact me at any time for any kind of issues, and I'm ready to help you. Okay, so I request you people to please share this video to your friends and everyone, and spread the good information to everyone. Let's change the society and let's transform it. Okay, here are some of the courses I'm conducting. We have gotten lots of courses. I'm listening on some of the courses to you. So hope you enjoy my video. Thanks for watching this particular video. Thank you. This is Venkat signing off from Wiki again, Kashiv Infotech. Thank you. Jai Hind.